Old machines reach the end of the road, but their journey isn't over. Every vehicle is assessed for the steel it still holds.
Before steel is reborn, every trace of its past is removed.
What remains is the core, pure metal, ready for transformation. From forgotten cars, the raw harvest of steel begins its next life. Once prepared, the metal begins its controlled movement forward.
Every transfer is measured, steady, and deliberate. Secured for the road, the metal is ready to move.
Tons of steel leave the yard with a single destination. The journey continues where transformation truly begins.
Here, raw steel enters the heart of industry.
Every load is measured before it moves further. Precision begins long before steel meets machines. The handoff from road to factory is seamless. Steel leaves its transport and enters the system. Inside, the first stage prepares steel for rebirth.
Decades of wear are stripped away in seconds.
Only steel is allowed to move forward. Human eyes confirm what machines begin. Now prepared, the steel moves toward its transformation.
This is where size is reduced and power takes over.
Strength meets force, and steel begins to yield. Only consistent material moves forward. Purity is enforced at every stage. The steel is now ready to change its form. Heat becomes the language steel understands. Solid history dissolves into liquid potential. What doesn't belong is removed from the flow. Chemistry defines the strength to come. From liquid fire, a new form emerges. Automation takes control as steel stabilizes its shape. Temperature is watched without interruption. Machines correct what humans once measured by hand. Precision is built into every meter. Control turns continuity into usable form. Before shaping, steel must return to controlled heat. Pressure gives steel its direction. Shape defines purpose.
Cooling locks strength into place.
Precision is enforced before approval. Every surface tells a story of strength or weakness.
What can't be seen is still measured.
Strength is proven under pressure. Science confirms what fire and force created.
Only verified steel earns the right to continue.
The journey nears completion, one stack at a time.
Strength waits patiently for its next purpose.
What once moved cars will now guide trains. Steel leaves, transformed and ready to serve again.
And this is how modern factories produce railway tracks from start to finish.